Praise the Lord. Here we go. There goes. Now, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Go over to the emeralds with the bat. Oh no! How did? Oh, I did. Sword attack! No, you're not attacking. That was no fair. But fireball! I'm back. Attack? Oh, yep. Jumping! Sword attack! Never mind, I said that. Okay. No fair! I hate this. We could talk about this. Psych! Now get your bed. Get your bed. Not for long. Sword attack. 2v2. 2v1. We did it! Yeah! No fair. What's this? Wait, they're copying our idea. Let's get them. Actually, you could play it right here. Alright, let's go. Just go in there. Alright. There is a lot of people in there. Let's go. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Here. Ouchies. Alright, here we go. Hello? Woman? We're all 4, so let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help! Speeding it up because I don't want to take this one. How are you doing that? There's a free bed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Boost me up. Honestly, they're not doing well, but honestly, they kind of suck. Now, okay, now I feel bad. Skipping it. By the way, I have something more that says. It's time to know you know that. I'm not honey. Get away from me. Yes, no, please, I'm being destroyed. Thank you, Al. How is he doing that? No more flying. boy, I don't listen to my voice. No, get out of here. Yes, okay, I'm gonna defeat them, but of a win streak. I will defeat them. We will. Well. It's time to run. Hey, could you throw me over there? Like, really? Cowabunga! Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me actually do this. What the? You didn't see me. Oh, now you did. Try to hit me. Oh, goodbye to the right. Anyway, cookies. See? Okay, yay, real cookies. -5. We're actually having so much fun. Bye, guys, yeah.
Wait, what is that? Hey, have you seen this? What is this?
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Bed Wars. Today, we need to talk about the stick figure situation.
Come on, guys. What?
Oh my god, the stick figures are here. They're on blue team. Holy, it's so weird seeing 4 stick figures just jumping around. They're kind of hard to hit because they're so thin.
Not really sure how to explain this one, but apparently there have been numerous sightings of stick figures showing up in high-pixel Bed Wars games.
Sometimes the good stuff is right in front
Okay,
of you.
guys, I'm sorry about the ads.
Numerous sightings of stick figures showing up in high-pixel Bed Wars games.
Right? Headphones. Oh, my brain hurts. We're almost to 100. We will become kings. Everyone is good, but not us. Do not falter, guys. Help me! What? Do we have anything? We should assemble, guys. Why? You're not doing that. Haha. I'm Steve, right, Steve. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Yay to me! I am too! It's time for me to get back. Example! Go, no! We're almost going down, folks. Let's go! Keep on going! No, don't bully my friend Green. He's golden apples. Go! It's time or not! Nothing more! How are they doing that? I'm playing on the dragon and I Ouch, ouch, ouch. Are you okay? Thanks for cleans.
Animation Versus is our new fighting game that we're working on, and we need your help to make it a reality. Go to animationversus.com to see all the rewards you can get, including early access to the game. It's crazy how much support we've received so far, which allows us to add more characters and even a story mode. Check out the Kickstarter before April 23rd. It's your last chance to get rewards that you won't be able to get anywhere else. Thanks for watching, guys.
The end.